be attempting 5 questions in chemistry. My advice to junior comrades is to always read wide and understand the topic because these questions come with follow-ups. 1A, 1AII, 1AIII. Let's attempt 5 questions. 1AI. State Faraday's first law of electrolysis. 1AII. Distinguish between strong electrolytes and weak electrolytes. 1B. States one chemical property of ethane. It is worth knowing that electrolysis is the chemical decomposition of a compound brought about by a direct current passing through either a solution of the compound or the molten compound. To answer the first question, state Faraday's first law of electrolysis. It states that the mass m of an element discharged during an electrolysis is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity Q passing through it. Answer the second question. Distinguish between a strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte. A strong electrolyte ionizes completely in an aqueous solution, while a weak electrolyte ionizes partially in an aqueous solution. 2A. Distinguish between molecular formula and structural formula. Molecular formula gives the total amount of atoms of each element in a compound, while structural formula shows the arrangement of atoms and bonds of a compound. 2B. Explain briefly why calcium oxide cannot be used to dry hydrogen chloride gas. Calcium oxide cannot be used to dry hydrogen chloride gas because they react with each other. 3A. State one effect of global warming. It causes sea level rising, which can lead to flooding of low-lying areas. 4A. States the condition necessary for the cracking of long-chain hydrocarbon to produce more gasoline. It requires a temperature of about 500 degrees Celsius and a catalyst. 4B. States 2 reasons why metallic objects are electroplated. Number 1, to prevent corrosion, and number 2, for decorative purpose. 5AI. Draw and label a diagram for the laboratory preparation of a dry sample of sulfur 4 oxide. Place some sodium triazosulfate 4 crystals in the round-bottomed flask. Pour in some concentrated hydrochloric acid through this thistle funnel. Heat the mixture gently. Then the gas is passed through the H2SO4. And is then collected in a glass jar by downward delivery, which is the sulfur 4 oxide. Five AII. Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction in 5AI. Five AIII. States the precaution that must be taken in the preparation of the gas in 5AI. The gas must be dried up by passing it through H2SO4. Since H2SO4 is the drying agent, then collection will be downward delivery. 5AIV. Give a reason why the precaution stated in 5AIII must be taken. The precaution stated above must be taken because the gas is denser than air.